everyone, welcome again to my channel Bob Mini. This is another video about Canva. We'll go to www.canva.com. We talk now about text. We'll go and click on templates inside the canva.com till it will appear on our screen. That's it. We will make a custom, like we create a size, and create it like that. We wait till it will open. Here we can change the name of our project or design, or text design, as we can say. Text lesson or tutorial. This is an example. Text. Here us to know text. Click here text. In text there are many tabs. There are some templates that you can choose from. You can scroll down and you find many templates. Those are templates. Improve one, font, improve one. You can choose from it if you'd like to choose. For example, this one is a pro, because I have a pro version. You can choose it as a if you like it. As an example, you can look here. It is a pro, like this ground. It means it's pro. You can change the color if you would like to change. As an example, make it bold. Make it's not this font cannot make it be italic. Or alignments. If you like to align to right or left, like that. In the middle, this is in the middle. This is left. This is right in the middle, and this is left in front of me. Look, you can make bullets, points, like that, or numbers, etc. This is we can make another effect if you like, because echo. You can change the offsets or direction. Look how it will move. Look here. The direction. Look at the direction of the shade. You can choose whatever you would like. This is for pro. Now we'll go to another one. Turn back. Now this is you can choose from here fonts, whatever. This is for free. This is a font for free. You can maximize it. It's called Bukhari script. You can smallify it if you like. Choose the one that you would like to. You can tap here to change it. 6 as an example. Become more smaller. You can change the color, as I said before. This font cannot accept bold or italic, but you can make it and change the alignment of it, right or left or in the middle. You can, for example, make some points, some boiled or numbers. Here spacing, you can make space between words. uh, you will understand that after this sense, this effects. You can choose whatever effect you'd like. Here you can make it underlined, uppercase or lowercase. Look at this, it is uppercase and this is lowercase. You can animate it, it will be animated animation here. How it will be animated on enter. We have blocked it because we couldn't save the chance. Are offline. Why I'm offline? It will be online. Sorry for this disturbance.